Hi, I'm Tim McDermott, one of the regional sales managers for JLC Tech. Here at JLC Tech, we manufacture the only lighting product that is designed, approved, and patented to replace the cross members in a suspended ceiling system. Because our lighting fixture becomes part of the ceiling assembly, installation costs are drastically reduced and construction waste is brought to a minimum, all while offering incredible light quality. I'm going to be highlighting a few of our premier products throughout this video, including the T-Bar 2, the T-Bar Up, and our new emergency battery kit. I will also be showcasing a variety of unique installations and non-traditional ceiling applications to help spark your creativity. I'd like to start off with the T-Bar 2. It's one of our most unique products. The concept of the T-Bar 2 was originally developed for a national account operating in the movie theater industry, with the specific need to accommodate multiple lighting solutions within the confines of a suspended ceiling system. Bright, evenly distributed light was needed for cleanup in between showings, and a soft focus light that could be dimmed was needed during previews. The T-Bar 2 is a dual-circuit dual optics fixture. One portion of the fixture is diffusing lens that provides a direct lighting using a microprismatic optic for controlled distribution while achieving even illumination. The second portion of the fixture is our cutoff reflector for a concentrated angle of light on the desired task area without unwanted glare. The T-Bar 2 is a great solution for many applications, particularly conference rooms. With the ability to independently control two different optics, the diffusing lens can be utilized for an ambient light source during your general discussion, and the cutoff reflector can be utilized during presentations or video conferencing, darkening the walls, getting rid of unwanted glare on screens, while providing a higher light level on the conference room table. The next product I would like to discuss is our T-Bar Up. Our product line already offered the typical lighting elements of a direct-indirect, and the cutoff light distributions, and we had often received requests for a fully indirect model to round out our product offering. We saw this as a need we could fill. By creating the first fully indirect light to integrate into a suspended ceiling system, our T-Bar Up revolutionizes indirect lighting. Only extending 2 inches below the ceiling plane with a built-in shield for maximum light reflectance, this is a great solution for lower ceiling heights when an indirect light source is still desired. The T-Bar Up is ideal for open office plans, classrooms, hospital corridors, and other spaces where a sleek, modern design with comfortable light is desired. We have heard your requests and are excited to introduce JLC Tech's Emergency Battery Kit, available now for ordering. At JLC Tech, we are constantly looking to deliver a turnkey solution for your T-Bar lighting needs. And we understand that field wiring a battery backup system to a remote driver is not always a straightforward process. This factory-wired LED driver with battery backup for the remote installation allows the T-Bar LED to be used for both normal and emergency operation. Utilizing our standard T-Bar LED driver, pre-wired to a battery backup, you can be assured the emergency lights will perform identical to the non-emergency T-Bar LED lighting during your normal operations. This includes the ability to dim down to 1% using our 0 to 10 volt dimming during non-emergency mode. Up to 8 feet of T-Bar LED product can be connected to the emergency kit. During power loss, the kit provides 12 watts of power for 90 minutes. Please reference our spec sheet for specific light output performance during emergency mode. The EM battery kit is compatible with our T-Bar LED, T-Bar Up, and T-Bar 2 product lines. Please reach out to your regional sales manager with any questions you may have concerning this new product. The T-Bar LED is compatible with almost any suspended ceiling system and ceiling tile type. Pretty much the rule of thumb is if the grid is exposed, we can replace it. We provide sleek integration lighting solutions into unique ceiling applications such as woodworks, a variety of metal ceilings, open cell, metal mesh ceilings. When specifying partially concealed grid ceiling systems such as Armstrong vector tiles with a 1/4 inch partially concealed reveal, we have developed an elongated spine on our extrusions that allows for installation of the special tiles that partially conceal the grid from view. Thank you for watching this presentation. Here at JLC Tech, we are always looking to improve and offer better lighting solutions. Whether you need a product that provides task and ambient light, or you need an indirect lighting that doubles as a building element, or perhaps you need an emergency battery backup solution compatible with our T-Bar LED lighting, If you need an eye-catching, simple lighting solution, look no further than JLC Tech. Please visit our website to learn more about our products at jlc-tech.com, and don't hesitate to reach out to one of your local regional sales managers with any questions. We're here to help. Stay safe and well.